How to submit and verify your website on Alexa. Many people ask us, how can I improve my Alexa rank? We understand how important this metric is for you in your business. As a public metric, potential advertisers, investors, and partners will look up your Alexa rank and use it as a way to evaluate the value of your business. For this reason, improvements in your rank can make a real dollars and cents impact on your bottom line. For those of you who are new to Alexa or unfamiliar with the Alexa rank, it is a single metric that provides a quick summary of a site's performance, yours or your competitors, relative to all other sites on the web. If you aren't focused on it, you may not be doing everything you can to maximize the value and visibility of your business. In all, the authority of your site on the web is translated as your Alexa rank. But before we dive into how you can improve your site's Alexa rank, we should take a step back. It's important to understand the makeup of the Alexa rank so you understand how you can make it better. Step-by-step guide, how to submit and verify your website on Alexa. At the beginning, open the Alexa website, click on New Account. Enter your email ID and then click on Create. Now follow the verification and confirmation process held by the Alexa system on the email address you have used in profile creation. By clicking on the confirmation link, the system will direct you to the Alexa password management page, and now you have to reset your account password. It is time you are directed to Alexa dashboard and your account creation is finished. This is the time that you go to the Alexa website info page and search for your domain name. Now you need to click on Certify Your Site Metrics. A certification message will pop on the screen showing the current scenario. As the next step, you have to click on the Plan and Pricing. A message will appear telling that either you can create a basic site comparison or claim a site with a free Alexa account. Before clicking on Claim a Site, make sure that you are signed into your Alexa account. The system will show you 3 options so that it can verify your website ownership on Alexa. Upload an Alexa verification file to the root directory of your website. Add an Alexa verification file ID to your home page. Certify your website's metrics. The third option that certifies your website's metrics is not an Alexa Free or Basic plan, it's an Alexa Pro plan. Though there are many plans for website submissions on Alexa, it is generally recommended to go with the free plan to start, but if you are interested and confident about choosing a big plan, properly check the plans and the pricing details in the case. If you choose to site verification while using the site metrics method, you need to click on the upgrade option and the system will redirect you to the Alexa Pro plan page where you can sign up for your desired plan. Now, when the website submission is completed, it is time to get some general knowledge about the steps that are needed to be followed for site verification or claiming the site. Step-by-step guide to submit and verify website on Alexa 1. The claiming on Alexa is free in the steps either you will upload a file or add a meta tag to complete so that you can claim your site on Alexa generally. It is suggested to go with the second option in which an Alexa verification ID is added to your home page or a meta tag is added in the header section of your website. For example, less than meta name equals Alexander feed content equals asterisk greater than. Now the process starts in which you can add the meta tag to your site or web page in an urge to claim your site and verifying website ownership. Insert header and footer plugin, download and activate the tool and save the settings. Once finished, return to the site verification page and click on Verify My ID. Use WordPress SEO plugin. Start by downloading an installation. After installation goes to your greater than dashboard, you will see the option Alexa verification page and you have to paste the meta tag and save the settings. The next thing is to do the verification of the ID. The process will be followed with all-in-one CPAC plugin. Once the verification successfully completed, you will get the message your site is successfully claimed. Submit your website to Alexa now. When your website is finally submitted and claimed on Alexa, You are obliged to make efforts to improve our site or blog ranking on Alexa with a good Alexa ranking. You can always be benefited with the trust element that attracts the visitors as well as the advertisers. It will play an important role in the success of your online marketing strategy planning and implementation. 2. Create a quality content. It is the first and the foremost condition to improve the Alexa ranking that the content on your website is natural, organic, great, and informative. Educative yet interesting and entertaining. Google also feels affectionate with quality content, so with the good content, you can get higher ranks on SERPs. It is the direct path to get the increased amount of traffic towards your website or blog. 3. Be creative, be innovative. Don't follow just the traditional methods. Explore new things and methods also. You should try writing blog posts with this. You can build many quality backlinks, and a good number of quality links will support your website to get the improved Alexa ranking. No need to remember that a blog post also requires the quality content. There are some other offbeat methods such as commenting and others that can be successfully applied to get the improved website linking and ultimately improved rankings. 4. Regularity is the must. Consistency is the must element of the process of increasing the Alexa rankings. If you manage to create a good content and publish it in a regular time period, it will definitely help your efforts to get higher rankings. The regular supply of fresh content prevents the audience from getting bored and maintain the enthusiasm. 5. Have an Alexa rank widget. It will simply support your site or blog to get the improved Alexa ranking. If there is an Alexa widget with it, it will help you to figure out the current on the spot Alexa ranking status of your blog website. For this, you will have to register your blog or website to www.alexa.com and paste the code in the security code to your blog. 6. Download the Alexa toolbar. When you have downloaded the Alexa toolbar, you get a great help in tracking the traffic mode. You can easily install it from Chrome, Firefox, IE and many other portals within some seconds. How does Alexa get its data? Alexa has a large traffic data panel consisting of millions of people all over the world. Based on the data from this sample, Alexa estimates the number of visitors to all sites on the internet. It's a complicated calculation that involves correcting for biases as well as identifying and discarding fake or spam traffic. Our data scientists are the best in the business, and they make sure the data we present is free of noise and non-human data, so you can make the best decisions for your business. How is the Alexa rank calculated? Every day, Alexa estimates the average daily visitors and page views to every site over the past 3 months. The site with the highest combination of visitors and page views over the past 3 months is ranked 1. The site with the least is ranked somewhere around 30 million. If no one in our measurement panel visited a site over the past 3 months, there is no rank at all for that site. Conclusion. In the previous post, I have shared the various processes to improve Alexa ranking of your site, and in this article also, I've shared the process and techniques to submit your website to Alexa for better ranking in 2015.so. If you are looking to get more information on your website, then here you will get all the tips about submit your website to Alexa techniques to improve Alexa rank.